Hello dear students, I welcome you all to the Rishikul Online School. Dear students, today we will continue chapter number 4 of Geography where we are discussing about the mineral resources. So dear students, in the previous module we studied about the different types of minerals which are divided into the metallic and the non-metallic. Then we discussed over the subdivision of the metallic minerals, about the ferrous and the non-ferrous minerals. Today in this module we will be talking about that how the minerals are extracted, how they are taken out from the earth's surface. So there are various methods of extracting minerals such as mining, drilling and quarrying. Mining is the process of taking out minerals from rocks buried under the earth's surface. Mining that is of two types, open cast mining and shaft mining. Open cast mining is done when a mineral is located very close to the surface. In the open cast mining, different minerals are taken out by removing the surface layer. Open cast mining is famous for coal mining in India. Shaft mining, as the word suggests, it refers to deep bores. In shaft mining, deep bores are created to reach mineral deposits. This is because these deposits lie at great depths. Petroleum and natural gas are extracted by the shaft mining. Drilling. Through the process of drilling, deep wells are bored to take the minerals out. For example, deep wells are made to extract oil and natural gas by the Oil and Natural Gas Commission of India or ONGC. So now we will be talking about or discussing the continent-wise distribution of mineral resources. More than half of the world's tin is produced in Asia continent. Africa is a mineral-rich country. It is the largest producer of diamond, gold and platinum. North America. It has large deposits of iron ore, gold, copper, nickel and uranium. Chromium and manganese are the most significant minerals of South America. Europe is the leading producer of lead, zinc, manganese, nickel, copper and iron ore. Coal, iron ore, silver, gold and minerals oil are found in Antarctica, and Australia is the leading producer of bauxite in the world.